Hey everybody, welcome to Life at Sunny Lea. And it's been a different week. It has gone by so fast, I'm not even for sure how I got anything done. This is the first full week with the new puppy, Dusty Rose. And most of the time, especially at the beginning of the week, was just bonding with her and getting her used to what she could and couldn't do. Now, I swear this puppy has come pre-trained. She is really responding well to everything except the crate training. We did have trouble with that. And that meant the first 3 or 4 days we were with her constantly on a house lead because we couldn't put her in the crate. She just wouldn't have it. She was just going nuts. So it was bonding with her and getting her used to the family, used to the rules, the house rules. And she didn't like the crate, so she's ended up sleeping in our bedroom on the floor by the bed. And she's perfectly happy there. I put her on a house lead and tether that to the edge of the bed. And she just lays there all night long until we wake up in the morning, and then she's ready coming down to her room. The enclosed porch has been turned into her room. It's where she can play, and she has an indoor potty in here. The reason she's got the indoor potty is because we live in the country where there's a lot of wildlife. She's only had 1 puppy shot so far, so until she gets her puppy shot series done, the vet prefers her not to be out on the grass too much. So because a lot of the diseases and stuff that the puppy shot takes care of can be carried by wild animals, and when they pee on the grass and stuff like that, it stays on the grass for a little bit and the puppy could pick it up. So she's using the indoor potty and she's took to it right away. We've had no problem. Even if I have her in the house, she'll whine a little bit and let us know that she needs to come out here. She heads straight for the potty and then she's ready to play or do whatever she wants to. She was toy motivated when she first got here. Now it's food motivation. She's doing really well. But like I said, a lot of the time this week has been bonding with her, training her, teaching her what's right and what's wrong. I did manage to get some stuff done. I got the old aquarium cleaned out and got the stuff ordered for it to start it up again. I've had aquariums for a long time. I've never really been satisfied with them because of the water changing and the filter changing and all this stuff that you had to do once a month. And this time I'm going to try what's called a natural aquarium. You put a sponge filter in it, which doesn't have to be cleaned very often. You put a bunch of plants in it and you put some fish in it, but it's got a different type of substrate. So we're going to try that this time and see if that works, and hopefully I won't have to be changing the water at all or just topping it off and cleaning the sponge filter just every once in a while. And some don't even need the sponge filter. I just got it just to get started. Anyway, we got most of the stuff. I'm waiting for 1 more bag of stuff to come. The substrate on the bottom. I've got the sand. I got the sponge filter. I got the air pump. Got the wave maker, and I'm gonna set it all up, leave it go for a little bit, order the plants, put the plants in it, leave it go for about a month, and then finally get the fish. That's the plan. Whether we go by that or not, that's another thing. But I did manage to get the aquarium cleaned. It was an old aquarium. It had a lot of mineral buildup. Came clean really quick with the vinegar. I did manage to get the arrow garden started, cleaned out and restarted. Another 4 quarts of green beans put in the freezer, and 4 quarts of tomatoes put in the freezer. Managed to get all the laundry done twice. Let's see, fix supper every night except for one, and take care of the other animals. So I did manage to get that all done, which was amazing. And got some of the stuff down in the greenhouse. But basically, like I said, it's been training the pup. We've got her now so that she doesn't need the house lead in on her porch. Her porch is basically her room. But we've been working on a lot of things. Come here, Dusty. Come, Dusty. Come on. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Dusty, set. Good girl. Dusty, down. Good girl. Good. Dusty, stand. So she's got all those down. Dusty, focus. Focus. Good girl. All right. So, yep, she's very food motivated. So, but that's what we've been working on. And she's doing really well. Also been working on what to chew and what not to chew. So, as you can see, she's getting much better about not nipping. She still tries it every once in a while. Yeah, don't you? When she does, just kind of hold her like that until she realizes that she's not going to nip. And gets her attention on something else. And then she goes and plays. So that's been my week. Basically, puppy setting, puppy training, and just enjoying it. She's been sleeping all night. She goes to bed about midnight, wakes up about 7:30 in the morning, and takes her little naps during the day. We did take Friday night off and went to the fair. Chris stayed home and watched the puppy for us. And on Tuesday, Chris and his dad went to Indianapolis, but I stayed home and did laundry and worked with the puppy. So, like, share, subscribe, and see you on the next video. Bye, everybody.